Hey bro, there comes a moment when a man realizes he can't keep living in the same skin that got rejected. He can't keep showing up to the world as the version of himself that was overlooked, ignored, or taken for granted. And that's when something shifts. Not loudly, not dramatically, but silently, deep inside his chest. This video is not about running away. It's about strategically disappearing, so you can return as someone unrecognizable, not to impress her, but to meet the man you were always meant to become. Today, I'm going to take you through 5 phases of disappearing and rebuilding yourself. Phases every powerful man goes through when rejection becomes his rebirth. Phase 1, the vanishing point. You don't announce it. You don't post quotes or say you're done with everyone. You simply stop being available. You stop replying instantly. Stop chasing conversations. Stop trying to prove your worth to someone who already decided you weren't enough. At first, it feels empty. You'll be tempted to reach back out, to remind her you still exist. But that would defeat the purpose, because this phase isn't about her noticing you're gone. It's about you noticing how much of yourself you gave away. You realize your biggest weakness wasn't rejection. It was accessibility. You were always there, always responding, always hoping. Now, silence becomes your boundary. Isolation becomes your weapon. As you vanish from her world, you begin to step into another, your own. Phase 2, the withdrawal of energy. You don't just disappear physically. You detach energetically. You stop replaying old memories. Stop checking if she viewed your stories. Stop imagining maybe she'll come back once she sees me doing better. Because true transformation doesn't come from wanting to be seen. It comes from no longer caring who's watching. This phase is painful. Your mind will try to pull you back. But this discomfort, it's the old identity breaking. You stop chasing answers outside and begin searching inside. Rejection stops being a wound and starts becoming a mirror. You begin to see who you really are and who you must become. Once your energy is no longer leaking outward, it starts flowing into your evolution. Phase 3, the reconstruction. This is where the work begins. You wake up earlier, not to be productive, but to gain control. You work out, not for aesthetics, but for discipline. You read, you learn, you rebuild your standards. You stop consuming content that keeps you weak. You stop engaging in conversations that drain your masculinity. No one claps for you in this phase. No one is watching. And that's exactly why it's powerful. Because the man who builds when no one is watching is the man no one will be able to ignore later. You stop acting from emotion and start acting from vision. Your goals stop being about impressing others. They become about surpassing yourself. The longer you stay in this phase, the more your old self fades, and a new figure begins to take form in the dark. Phase 4, the emergence of power. You're still unseen, but now you're undeniable. Your posture changes without effort. Your eyes don't seek validation, they observe. Your silence is no longer insecurity, it's presence. You walk differently. You speak less. You no longer chase because you know you are becoming the prize. People start asking if you're okay. They sense something is different. They can't explain it. But you no longer vibrate at the level of a man trying to be liked. You realize the world is designed to distract you from your own power. But you are no longer distracted. You are becoming dangerous in the right way. Calm, controlled, deeply focused. You're no longer disappearing from the world. You're now rising above it. Phase 5, the return of a man reborn. You don't come back seeking attention. You come back carrying gravity. You don't ask for her back. You don't try to show her what she lost. You don't need to, because the point of disappearing was never to win her approval. It was to meet the version of yourself that no longer chases it. You have transformed quietly. Your silence has turned into strength. Your absence has turned into aura. You didn't lose her. You lost the man who thought he needed her. Bro, you don't disappear to be missed. You disappear to become unreachable to the man you used to be. And once you return as this new version, you won't be asking why she rejected you. You'll be grateful she did, because without rejection, there is no rebirth. If you're in phase 1 right now, stay there. Do not break your silence. Do not go back to her or back to your old patterns. Your future self is waiting on the other side of your disappearance. Let him be born. If this hit you, don't comment for me. Comment for yourself. Type, I choose to disappear. Let that be the moment everything changes.